Hello my friends, welcome back. Today I have for you the ID Cooling SE234 ARGB. This heatsink is going to be a replacement of the heatsink that comes originally on your CPU box for those of you who wants to do overclocking and wants to keep those temperatures high. Now there's two ways to go on controlling those temperatures. It's either water cooling or this type of cooling with a bigger radiator and a bigger heatsink. Now if you want to go with either both, I would recommend this one because nowadays you could find that the heatsink with this type of setup, it's doing the same results as the heatsinks with water cooling and radiator. So I'd rather spend $39.99 that this will cost right now while this video is playing than $100 and some to buy a radiator with water that will probably leak and damage my system. Now again, it's all up to you. It's I mean, you can go either way. I like this way because, you know, I have the water out of the equation. Now we have this ARGB SE234 that you can connect to the computer and use it and run it with the systems the computer have, like MSI Mystic lights and all those other ones that carry, you know, the motherboards to control the ARGB lighting. Now this one, like I say, I like because it had the black radiator and also it had the ARGB on the front panel and also it had it on the fan. So that's good. You have those both lights coming up. Now it will match all your lighting of your PC when you connect it to like the J Rainbow on the computer, and that way you can control it with the Mystic lights and all those other motherboards that carry, you know, in-board light controls. Now I will leave you with the unbox. I hope you enjoy it and enjoy this unbox. Don't forget to subscribe, you know, hit like and hit that bell so you will get the next videos for this build that I'm preparing for you guys. Enjoy the unboxing. Alright guys, thank you for joining me. This is the SE234 from ID Cooling. Now this will keep your temperatures low without having to do a lot of rigging, a lot of connecting hoses and water management and leaks and everything else. It will keep the temperature just fine for all you gamers who want to have that CPU at the top of its performance. Now don't forget to subscribe, join my channel, you know, give a comment, like, and hit that bell for those new PC builds and new unboxings coming up. Enjoy your day and thank you for joining me.